Hi everyone, this is Dawn at 1=3 Consulting, and today we're doing video number 2 in our series for workflow automations in Clio. And as you can see from looking at my screen, I have narrowed down those practice areas in Clio Manage so that when I go into my matter stages and I look at stages, these are the options I have. So that's much more reasonable in terms of what I need to work with to build out my workflows. So the next thing I want to do is go into Clio Grow and build out matching practice areas if you have Clio Grow. So it's really important, if you have Clio Grow, go on into Clio Grow and create those practice areas. So let's go into Clio Grow, and we're going to go into settings, we're going to go into matters, and we're going to create our new matter types. We're going to do medical malpractice, we're going to do personal injury, we're going to do trusts, and we're going to do wills and estates. Now, every practice area is going to be different based on your firm. If you're general practice, you might have a lot more practice areas, but the idea is you just want to have practice areas that match on both sides. You'll see that I didn't do an administrative practice area. That's often a practice area we set up for internal use with the firm, for tracking non-billable time or keeping track of metrics that are important internally to the firm. But for now, we have medical malpractice, personal injury, trust, wills, and estates on the Clio Grow side. And if we go to the Clio Manage side, we have those same practice areas here under stages. So those are showing as well. We also have an other, we'll ignore that for now. What is the very next thing you want to do if you're in Clio Manage and you want to set up an automated workflow? Well, you might think it's time to go ahead and start building out some stages here. But actually what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the data that you want to collect by practice area so we can start building out custom fields and field sets. So that's what we're going to focus on next. In our next video, we're going to start building out custom fields and field sets. Stay tuned.